Wait. Hello?
Sir.
Hello?
Sir.
Girls, are you getting my voice?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm presenting my screen to you all. Make sure you are getting my screen to your screen. My screen is already presented. I'm going to present my board. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Just a second. And I hope so everyone knows how to work on this. You have to ping the things simultaneously. Okay? Are you all getting my board to your
Okay.
screen? Ping the other ID.
Yes.
Sure, beta?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, wait. Still I have to set up yet. Okay, now?
Yes.
Yes.
Bolo. Is it okay? All clear?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, so what was the first sum? First sum was 3 multiply 5 integer 1 upon 5. First sum 3 multiply uh, 5 integer 1 upon 5. Now can you see this? What is the question written here? Multiply and express as mixed fraction. We have to multiply this and express that into mixed fraction. Okay. So what to be done now? What to be done? This will be as it is. 3 will be as it is. Right? 5 5 is the 25 plus 1 upon 5. Any doubt here? What I did? I converted this into simple fraction form. Right? Girls,
Yes.
please
Yes.
ping your hello. Are you getting my voice?
Yes.
Yes.
Mohammed Tinwalana બે ideas છે દીકરા. One is presented as a screen in what question is there, and one is presented the answer where whiteboard will be presented. So are you getting whiteboard to your screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so 3 multiplied by 5 integer 5, 1 upon 5, which has to be converted to simple fraction, right? Any doubt here? No. So now 326 are 36 are 24. 36 are 18. 78 upon 5. Is there anybody has any doubt with what I did here?
No, sir.
In this, 3 was multiplied with 6 and 5 will be as it is. Why? Because there will be automatic 1 here. So 5 ones are 5. Are you getting my point? समझ पड़ा है कि नहीं? So if you convert this into mixed fraction, we have to multiply. What was the question? We have to multiply and we have to convert that into improper fraction. That means mixed fraction. Sorry, not improper, mixed fraction. So 78. 5 ones are 5. 2 will be there. 8 will be brought forward. 5 fives are 25. And 3 will be remainder. So 15 integer. What we got? 15 integer. 3 upon 5 as our answer. Any doubt here, girls?
No, sir. No.
Sure?
Yes. Yes.
Now in shortcut way I can show you, but this can be applied in few sums only, not every time. This cannot be applied for every time, but I can say 3 is for 5 also and 3 is for 1 also. 3 is multiplied what? 3 numerator ma hai beta. 3 can be multiplied with 5 also. So the 3 5s are 15 and 3 1s are 3. 5 will be as it is. You got this answer?
Yes.
समझाई है क्या नहीं?
Yes.
So this was sum number 1. Now you check out the question I'm presenting here on your screen. Ping the other idea of Mohammed Teenwala and you check out what is the difficult one so that I can solve that on the board. Which one you feel that this question may be difficult for you all? Out of A to F. Sum number A we have solved. From A to F, you tell me.
E.
E, sum number E. Okay, sum number E I am going to solve. Chal beta, Rabia, please repeat the question. What is written on your screen?
Yes, sir. 3 integer 1 upon 4 into 6.
Into 6. Very good. Chalo. 3 integer 2 upon 8 into 6. Okay. Are you getting my whiteboard to your screen right now?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, very good. Chalo. Now what we have to do again, this step, first one. 4 will be multiplied by 3, added with 1 upon 4 as it is. This mixed fraction has to be expressed in a simple form. Multiply by 6 as it is. If you write 1, then also it's okay. If you don't write 1, then also it's okay. We can understand that this is 6 upon 1. Okay. As it was 3 upon 1 over here. So 5 ones are, you got 5 only. समझाई है क्या नहीं, girls? So 4
Yes.
3s are 12 plus 1, 13 upon 4. Multiply by 6. Now 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. 13 3s are will be 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. 39 upon 2. Any doubt here?
Sir.
No doubt. So 39 upon 2 to be converted into mixed fraction. 2 1s are 2. 1 remainder, 9 will be brought forward. 2 9s are 18. 1 will be remainder. So 19 integer 1 upon 2 will be our answer. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No.
For sure?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Chalo. Let's back to our question number 2. Next question. So rest of the sums you will be able to do by your own, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, bachcha, chalo. Now we are in question number 7. Find half of 2 integer 3 upon 4. Half કોનું કરવાનું છે? 2 integer 1 upon 4. Sorry, 2 integer 3 upon 4. પેલા આપણે ખબર છે આપણે એક્સરસાઇઝ 2.1 માં શું કર્યું હતું ગર્લ્સ? Half of 24, half of 12. याद है? Exercise 2.1 we followed that. क्या exercise में table ना question में करूँ तो half of 24, so we were doing like this. Half of 24 is 12. 12 ones are 12. समझाई है? Like this. याद आवे छे? हमना ज करूँ आपने last lecture में ते. Half of 64. Half of 64. So we were doing like this. Half of 64 એટલે sorry 64 નું અડધું 6 ones are 2 ones are 2 2 3s are 6 2 2s are 4 so 32 was the answer. We did somewhat like this. 3/4 of 12 3/4 of 12 so 4 ones are 4 4 3s are 12 so 3 3s are 9 3/4 of 12 was what 9. સમજાય છે? આપણે પેલા કરી ચૂક્યા છે. નાઉ આઈ ડોન્ટ નો વેધર યુ રિમેમ્બર ઓર નોટ. પેલા એટલે ગયા વર્ષે નહીં, લાસ્ટ લેક્ચરમાં જ કરેલું છે. ચલો, in the same case we have to follow this half of 2 integer 3 upon 4. First question, half of 2 integer 3 upon 4. So can I write like this? 2 1.5 1 upon 2 into 2 integer 3 upon 4. Half of means what? Half કોનું? તો ભાઈ 2 integer 3 upon 4. Is that clear,
Yes.
girls? Okay. Now, what we have to do next? First, Rabia, what we have to follow? શું કરવાનું?
Improper માં convert કરવાનું.
Very good. First step, we have to follow 4 into 2 plus 3 upon 4. So half into 4 2s are 8 plus 3, 11 upon 4. So what is the half of 11 upon 4? So 11 ones are 11, 4 2s are 8. Now convert this into what fraction?
Mixed.
8 ones are 8, 3 will be remainder. So it will be 3 integer 1 upon 4. Sorry, 1 upon 8. I'm sorry. Any doubt here? Oh, I'm sorry. 8 ones are 8. So 1 integer house, huh? 3 integer, I'm sorry. 1 integer 3 upon 8 is the answer.
Yes.
So half of 2 integer 3 upon 4 is what? 1 integer 3 upon 8. Any doubt here, girls?
No, sir.
Sure, bachcha party?
Sir.
Again, આનું અડધું કેટલું થયું? Half means what? Half of one circle means what? અડધું. So if half of 2, this is full. 2 integer 3 upon 4. તો આનું અડધું કેટલું થયું? 1 integer 3 upon 8, 1 integer 3 upon 8. આ બંનેનો total કરો ને, so you will be able to get 2 integer 3 upon 4. Are you getting? So we found out half of 2 integer 3 upon 4 as 1 integer 3 upon 8. Any doubt here, girls? Any doubt?
No.
No, sir.
So you will be able to do half of 4 integer 2 upon 9.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Some number be 5/8 of. That means Total 8 part are there out of 5. 5 part are there out of 8. So 5 upon 8 નું કેટલું કરવાનું છે? 3 integer 5 upon 6. And second one is 9 integer 2 upon 3. Which one you would like to do? Chalo, tell me.
9 integer 2 upon 3.
Okay, 9 integer through 2 upon 3. And what was that content? 5, 8. 5 upon 8.
8.
5 upon 8 of 9
Yes.
integer 2 upon 3 છે ને? Okay. The first step, Rabia, 5 upon 8
Into.
as it is. Off means using multiplying sign. 9 integer 2 upon
Yes.
3 as it is. We got our sum now. Our first step is to
Multiply.
Add.
what add? Our first
Convert
step
into
is to
Convert
what?
it
To do what?
improper.
Convert into improper fraction. Very good. 5 upon 8 multiplied by 3 into 9 plus 2 upon 3. So 5 upon 8 as it is, multiply 3 9s are 27 plus 2 29 upon 3. Now you have to check. આ બંને એકબીજા સાથે કઈ કટ થાય છે? કોઈ connection છે?
No.
If nothing to do with that, multiply it regularly. 29 into 5. 5 9s are 45, 4 up, 5 2s are 10, 145 upon 8 3s are 24. 145 upon 24. Now, can we keep this as our answer? No. We have to convert this
Mixed
into
fraction.
mixed fraction. 24 na table ma 14 to આવે નહીં, so you have to take all 3 digits together. So 24, I can say 8s are 32, 3 up, 8 2s are 16. What is it, sir? 7, 48 2 are 14. Upon what is it, sir? 5s are 20 and 12. This will be worked. 5, 120. 6 are 24, I think so. 6 to the 12, 14, 144. It will be 6 are 144. So 1 will be remainder. So our main answer is 6 integer 1 upon 24 as our answer. Any doubt here? Girls, any doubt?
No.
No, sir.
6 integer 1 upon 4. 24, 6 are 144. So 1 was remainder. Right?
Yes.
Chalo, question number 8. Who will read this?
Can I mod this, Rajani?
Yes, Modesa, please.
Vidya and Pratap went for a picnic. Their mother gave them a water bottle that contained 5 liters of water. Vidya consumed 2/5 of the water. Pratap consumed of remaining water. Number 1. How much water did Vidya drink? Number 2. What fraction of total quantity of water did Pratap drink?
See, solving here itself, there are 2 questions on the same topic. Vidya and Pratap went for a picnic, right? Their mother gave them a water bottle that contained 5 liters of water. So total, how much liter was there? 5 liters. Vidya consumed 2 upon 5. Now total 5 liters, 2 liter Vidya pani pi gayi, right? So Pratap consumed remaining water. So Pratap had 3 upon 5 as the fraction.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes.
How much liter did Vidya drink? So Vidya drank 2 liters. આપણે આમને ખબર પડે. What fractions of the total quantity of water did Pratap drink? 3 upon 5 as our answer here. સમજાય છે? But
Yes.
how to show it in the answer? That is what we have to see here. So check the answer column. Water consumed by Vidya is 2 upon 5 of 5 liters. So 2 upon 5 of 5 એટલે શું? Can I say 5 is total multiplied by 2 upon 5? Yes or no?
Yes.
So 5 got cancelled. 2 liter is the answer here. Can you see 2 liter here?
Yes.
So how much did Vidya drink? Therefore, Vidya consumed 2 liters of water. Okay? Therefore, Vidya consumed 2 liters of water. Is that clear? Now, water consumed by Pratap. 1 minus total what we have? Total we have is 1. 1 bottle in which 5 liters water was there. Out of that, 2 upon 5 we already got as Vidya consumed, right? So 1 upon 1 will be the other fraction here. So out of, if you take LCM, you have to convert this into 5. So this will be also 5. 5 as common LCM here is equal to like, so 5 minus 3 will be what? Sorry, 5 minus 2 will be what? 3 upon 5 as the remaining content. Any doubt here, girl?
No, sir.
સમજાય છે 1 minus 2 upon 5 શું કામ આવ્યું? Girls,
Yes.
total
Yes,
water
sir.
bottle was how many? 1 water bottle.
1.
In 1 bottle, there was 5 liter of water, right? Out of that one bottle, total 5 liter of water was there. Out of that 2 upon 5 part, that means 5 ભાગમાંથી 2 ભાગ કોણ પીયું પાણી? 5 ભાગ એટલે 5 liter હતું total. Out of 2 liter was consumed by Vidya. So remaining, we know the answer. Remaining જે પી ગયું એ પ્રતાપ હતું, right? So Pratap had 3. 3 છે તો 3 upon 5 એનો fraction બનશે. Yes or no? સમજાય છે?
Yes.
Now, how you get 3 upon 5? So we can get 3 upon 5 as Pratap had water 1 minus the water what Vidya had. Water કેટલું પીધું વિદ્યાએ? 2 upon 5 liter. Understood? Now 1 cannot be alone and we cannot directly subtract or add if there is an unlike fraction. So these two are unlike fractions. So if you take LCM 1 and 5, so LCM will be what? 5. 5 will be LCM. So 1 upon 1, 5 સુધી લઈ જાવ હોય તો multiply by 5 here. Understood? So it has to be multiplied by 5 here also. So 5 upon 5 minus 2 upon 5. 2 upon 5 ને તો one સાથે જ કરવું પડશે ને. So 2 upon 5 will be as it is. સમજાય છે girls? For that purpose I have not described here. Now 5 as common LCM. 5. 5 minus 2, you will get your 3 upon 5 as a total water. What Pratap consumed. Any doubt, girls?
No, sir.
Sure, Bachcha Party?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so with the help of this answer, we have completed our exercise 2.2. We are starting with exercise 2.3 here. Chalo. Question number 1. Now, fractions of fractions. That means 1/4 of. You already know this. Come back to our board. I'm presenting my camera. All of you, are you getting my whiteboard to your screen?
Yes.
Girls, are you all getting whiteboard to your screen? Ping Mohammed
Yes.
Teenwala, the other ID. Yes?
Yes.
Very good. So 1/4 of sum number 1. 1/4 of what? A, B and C. Which one you would like to do? Can I do sum number C?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 1/4 of 4 upon 3. So 1 upon 4 multiplied by 4 upon 3. 4 got cancelled. Answer is 1 upon 3. It was first sum was 1 upon 4 of 1/4. This was the sum for the first one. So 1 upon 4 multiplied by 1 upon 4. 1 ones are 1, 4 fours are 16. This is our answer. And both have proper fractions, so there is no need of converting anything to anyone. Any doubt here, girls?
No.
No, sir.
થશે ને પછી બધા answer? It is, there are two questions, I think so. Question 1/7 of 2 upon 9, 6 upon 5, 3 upon 10. Chalo, 1/7 of something I will do, one sum. 1/7 of what? Which one you would like me to do? 1 upon 7 of, chalo, jaldi bolo.
3 upon 10.
3 upon 10, chalo. Okay, come back to answer. Everyone come back to whiteboard. 1 upon 7 multiplied by 3 upon 10. So there is nothing to cross cut, or we cannot do anything else, right? So 3 ones are 3, 7 tens are 70. So 70 marks the test mati 3 marks to avi sake. Are you getting? So it is proper fraction. So there is no need of converting to anything to any fraction. Is that all clear, girls? What we did here? Chalo. Question number 2. Sorry. Again, multiply and reduce to its lowest form if possible. Possible હોય તો એને multiply કરીને reduce form માં convert કરવાનું છે. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
See, first sum I am doing 2 upon 3 multiply 2 integer 2 upon 3. Two upon 3 multiply 2 integer 2 upon 3. Rabia, what is our first base to convert?
Into improper.
Very good. 3 into 2 plus 2 upon 3. So 2 upon 3 as it is, multiply 3 2s are 6 plus 2, 8 upon 3. Now you can check cross cut. If you have cross cut, we can do it by here itself. If we don't have, then 8 2s are 16 and 3 3s are 9. Now you check out, do we have any common table that numerator and denominator is cutting off with each other? No, there is nothing.
3.
And 9 marks the test માંથી 16 mark આવે કોઈ દિવસ?
No.
No.
If there is nothing to go with, then we can convert this into mixed fraction. 9 ones are 9. 6 will be remainder. 6 or 7, I'm sorry, 7 it will be. 7. So answer will be 1 integer 7 upon 9 is our answer, which is the lowest term. Cross cut nathi thatu, so lowest term what we got is 1 integer 7 upon 9. Now you check out the question, Bachchelog. If you feel any question that you sound difficult, I can solve this right here, right now. Check out, all 8 questions are on your screen. Go to the question PDF ID for Mohammed Tinwala. Sound any difficult one? I think so. It's all easy. Directly you can solve it.
Yes, sir.
Sure, bachcha party?
Yes, sir.
Okay, chalo. Question number 3. Exercise 2.3, question number 3. Are you all getting questions to your screen?
Yes, sir.
Multiply the following fractions. Multiply the following fractions. We have to multiply this. Can we do this easily? Chalo, 2 upon 5 multiplied by 5 integer 1 upon 4. First sum, 2 upon 5 multiplied by 5 integer
1 upon 4.
1 upon 4. We have to multiply this. Can we do it easily? Come back to whiteboard, girls.
Yes, sir.
Are you all getting my screen to your screen? I mean,
Yes.
my whiteboard to your screen?
Yes.
Multiply 4 into 5 plus 1 upon 4. 2 upon 5 as it is, multiply 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 1, 21 upon 4. Now, can you check here that we can cut something with each other? 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4 here. So what you will get? 21. 21 into 1, 21. 5 2s are 10. So we got 21 upon 10. Now out of 10 marks of test, can you get 21 marks?
No.
No, we cannot score that. So we have to convert that into mixed fraction compulsory. 10 2s are 20. 1 is remainder. So 2 integer 1 upon 10 is our answer. Any doubt here, girls? Any doubt, girls?
No.
So we have
No,
completed up till question number 3. Girls, we have completed up till question number 3. All of you, those who are not present, please inform that we have completed exercise 2.3 up till question number 3. What you have to complete that in your fair book, as well as one time all the sums to be done in your rough book. That is your homework. Okay, girls?
Okay, sir.
Okay, girls?
Yes, sir. Sir, મને
Okay.
Sorry?
મને એક ડાઉટ છે મોતે સર.
હા બોલ ને દીકરા બોલ. શું ડાઉટ છે?
ક્વેશ્ચન 3 માં 2 upon 5 અને 12 upon 4 ને જે કટ કર્યો ને 2 ને 4 ને તો 5 બચ્યું તું તો એમાં 10 કઈ રીતે આવ્યું?
5 multiplied by 2 શું થાય? 5 4s કરવાની જગ્યાએ હવે શું મલ્ટીપ્લાય થયું? 5 2s.
હા
5 2s is what?
આવી ગયો આન્સર.
આવી ગયો ને?
હા સર.
Okay, girls. So do take care of yourself, take care of your health, girls. Enjoy your next 3 lectures. Have a nice time. Take care.
બાય સર.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye bye. Good afternoon, everyone.
બાય સર.
Bye, sir.
કપડા ધોવાઈ ગયા? અરે ના. તો પછી એની સિવાય કપીને જવાનું નથી. તો અહીં રેડ પર એક બસ. વાસ મારે છે યાર. તો બીજા નથી. હવે હું કહ્યું તો તમે કાલે. હાથથી ધોવાના હોય, મશીનમાં થોડી ધોવાના. કાલે હું કર્યું તો તમે
તો મઈ પછી ના તો તું તો અઢી વાગે નહીં ના તો હું અઢી વાગે તો આવ્યો ગરમ પાણી થી ધોવાનો